First of all, namaste, everyone. Thank you all so much. Thank you all so much for all the love that you have been showering on me, for all the music that I've been doing. This is definitely a very, very, very special moment for me. This is the second time I'm receiving this award. Once I received from the South Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and now receiving it right from the North, and I'm really so happy. You know, receiving an award in the name of this great legend, Dada Saheb Phalke, sir, and that itself is a blessing. So I'm really grateful, and I feel truly blessed. Thank you so much. Yeah, there are lots of movies. I mean, happening in different languages in Telugu, Tamil, and also Hindi. But right now, the current project that we are working on is Ustad Bhagat Singh with Pawan Kalyan sir, which will be the next release. So we're all busy making that, and then a lot of interesting projects which are not titled yet. Also, you'll be knowing very soon, and some very interesting Bollywood movies. Yes. Thank you. Thank you.
दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड, दादा साहेब फाल्के इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल अवार्ड 2025 का अवार्ड मिला, जो मैंने पहली बार शॉर्ट फिल्म में काम किया था और पहले ही बार में मुझे अवार्ड मिला। बहुत 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 खुशी हो रही है। एक तो दादा साहेब फाल्के जिसने वो पहली फिल्म की थी, उस नाम का अवार्ड मिल रहा है। आज तक मिले अवार्ड्स मिले, लेकिन इस नाम का मुझे अवार्ड पहली बार मिला है, हमारे फिल्म के लिए मिला है। बहुत खुशी हो रही है, बहुत बहुत खुशी हो रही है। और हमारी म्यूट फिल्म थी, मतलब 1903 में राजा हरिश्चंद्र फिल्म बनी थी, जो म्यूट फिल्म थी, और हमारी भी म्यूट फिल्म थी। तो एक वो लगता है कि कोइंसिडेंस था। बहुत खुशी हो रही है। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
So absolutely a wonderful, wonderful film festival this one is, and a beautiful award. सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे मज़ा आया है दीपिका सिंह को कवर करने में। मतलब आई रियली इन्जॉयड इंटरव्यूइंग हर। वो इतनी मज़ेदार थी, बाकी सारे थोड़ा हिचकिचा के बात कर रहे थे, बट शी वॉज ऑल देयर, आउट देयर। उन्होंने सारी फेवरेट मिठाईज़ बताई, नमकीन वो क्या खाती हैं, ऑफ सेट, ऑन सेट। इट वॉज वेरी नाइस। सो यस, थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
I think it's a great event, and it becomes a reason for all of us to come together, and it's wonderful. I wish everybody who's about to get an award all the best, including us.
Absolutely the same. It's an honor that we're here. Thank you for having us, and hope to see you year after year. Thank you.
Yes, 100%, बिल्कुल। मतलब मुझे लगता है कि इंडस्ट्री से जो भी जुड़ा है, चाहे वो एक्टर हो, चाहे वो सिंगर हो, या डांसर हो, हर किसी का ड्रीम होता है कि उसमें शरीक होना, उसमें शिरकत भी मिल जाती है। तो हमें लगता है कि वी आर द ब्लेस्ड वंस कि हम लोग यहाँ पर आए, परफॉर्म किया है। इट्स अ ब्लेसिंग।
I think it's absolutely an honor to be here and to share the stage with her, performing here at Dada Saheb Phalke International Awards. I'm like really blessed. Coming from like a music film background, it was really exciting to see everybody going on stage, even collecting their awards. It was like a little throwback to my days when I was into filmmaking, still into filmmaking, but like it is a really wonderful stage, and really proud to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Award, and I feel extremely happy that I've been invited here, because I think it's one of the most prestigious awards that I have been hearing of as a child, and to be a part of an award like this, even to, you know, I would say it's like it's a milestone moment for an artist. So because we've grown up, at least I have grown up listening to or reading Vijay Tendulkar from my father was a theatre actor, my grandmother was a theatre actress. So, you know, this award has always been spoken about in my family, and I think today is the day where I feel so happy that I'm here. Thank you so much.
It's really feels very nice, and it's a big honor for us to be here at the Dada Saheb Phalke Awards. The awards just get bigger and better every year, and I wish them all the very best this year as well.
Yeah, I think it's become a big name in the award circle now, so all the best to the organizers. Thank you.
यार कमाल का अवार्ड है, और प्रेस्टीजियस लोग हैं, इसलिए प्रेस्टीजियस है अवार्ड। और बहुत ही इस बार का तो इस बार का जो नेचर ऑफ कॉल है, इट्स लाइक वंडरफुल। स्टेज बहुत अच्छा बना है। सो या ऑल गुड यार। अपार भाई इज़ लाइक नेक्स्ट लेवल। हाँ, अभी तो फरहाना बिग बॉस में ही है, सो अभी बाहर निकलेगी, फिर उसकी सक्सेस पार्टी करेंगे। और अभी कुछ नए कुछ बड़े गाने कर रहे हैं हम लोग। सो देयर इज़ अ सॉन्ग कॉल शमशान इज़ गोइंग टू बी आउट वेरी सून, एंड लेटर ऑन देयर इज़ वन मोर सॉन्ग वी गोना डू इट। सो अभी चल रहा है उसका, इट्स हैपनिंग। थैंक यू, थैंक यू, थैंक यू।
Obviously, matlab, we started when I was studying filmmaking. The first name which came to us was Dada Saheb, and you know it's always stayed with you. And then you started looking at the, all the books, all whatever is written onto him. So yeah, so that is one thing you can't filmmaking hoti nahi agar Dada Saheb nahi hote.
दादा साहेब फाल्के अवार्ड इज़ सच अ प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड। इंडिया का पहला अवार्ड है फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी को लेकर के, तो इससे ज़्यादा खूबसूरती की बात और नहीं हो सकती कि मैं यहाँ पे आ पाई और यहाँ पे जितने भी फिल्म फ्रेटर्निटी के दिग्गज हैं उनको अवार्ड जीतते हुए देख पाऊँगी। और उम्मीद करती हूँ एक दिन द डे विल कम एंड आई ऑल्सो रिसीव सच प्रेस्टिजियस अवार्ड ऑफ इंडियन सिनेमा। थैंक यू। Thank you so much. Thank you.
And I want to see who's winning. It's a prestigious award and I'm looking forward to the event. Every category. I mean, it's very prestigious, so I'm just looking forward to everything that's going to happen tonight. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
I'm receiving the award for this festival, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival, and it really means a lot. It means everything to me. It's a Marathi film and I'm glad that Marathi film won the first prize. Thanks to my producers Nishad and Nupur. Nishad is the one who also wrote the film. The simplicity of this film is the best part and that is what I liked. And the film is live on YouTube. Please watch it. You can watch it on YouTube. Jaswanda is the name. It means hibiscus flower, and please comment your reviews on that. Thank you so much.
We are very glad to come to Dada Saheb Phalke Award, and I am very thankful of Mr. Mohammad Morani Sarji. He is very close to me since 10 years, and he is the son of Kukurla's MLA, Mr. Mangesh Kudalkar. He is Jay Kudalkar. So Jay, can you speak something for 2 minutes for this award?
मोहम्मद भाई ने बोला इसलिए शुक्र करता हूँ और इवेंट बहुत अच्छा लगा हमको, ऐसे ही बुला के रहिए सर। थैंक यू।
He is also very glad to come here and we are very honored to come here. All the best for Dada Saheb Phalke Award and to the entire team. Thank you.
लास्ट ईयर मुझे अवार्ड मिला था, दादा साहब फाल्के अवार्ड मिला था मुझे, और आज मैं सेकंड टाइम जब आया हूँ तो मैं परफॉर्म करने के लिए आया हूँ। सो बहुत ज़्यादा स्पेशल फीलिंग है और बहुत मायने रखता है मेरे लिए, और ये मेरा पहला अवार्ड फंक्शन है जिसमें मैंने आज परफॉर्म किया, तो ये मेरे लिए हमेशा यादगार रहने वाला है। सो थैंक यू सो मच दादा साहब फाल्के। विच सॉन्ग यू वांट टू हियर? ओके। तुमसे किरण धूप की, तुमसे सियाह रात है, तुम बिन मैं बिन बात का, तुम हो तभी कुछ बात है। Thank you so much. Thank you.
I'm extremely honored to be a part of this beautiful event, Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards, and I feel really great and lucky to be a part of this, where all the artists, they come together and the cinema is celebrated, music, dance, storytelling all together. So it's absolutely fantastic to be here. Thank you, thank you.
Pleasure to be present here, and I am here to manifest an award for me in upcoming years. it can sound selfish, but it's actually an honor to be here. So if I'm here, I am praying and manifesting something for me aage. And today I do support each and every film, each and every artist. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
So it's very special for somebody that's come from a reality show to perform in such a big stage is very special in front of such amazing artists and invitees. बहुत ही ज़्यादा special. So I'm very happy to be here. Thank you so much. Thank you.
I think it's a great honor to be a part of this event. I think it's such a prestigious award, and I'm super excited to be here. I think it's a great platform that showcases Indian cinema and music to the world stage, and I'm truly honored to be here. Thank you.
Really happy to be here at this prestigious Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Awards. And I'm really happy that I'll be performing tonight. Also might receive an award, not really know. But so happy that I'll be performing for all of them, Mumbaikars, and for this prestigious award. I'm really looking forward. Thank you very much.
And I'm grateful and delighted to be here. It's a prestigious award. It's one of the oldest ones in the fraternity. And yeah, couldn't have been happier to be here. I'm looking forward to the event, the festivities, and it's always nice to come to these events and feel the joy around you. Yes, thank you.
फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इट्स अ ग्रेट ऑनर. मी महाराष्ट्राची मुलगी आहे म्हणून दादासाहेब फाल्के अवॉर्ड आहे आणि हे अतिशय आनंदाचा आणि उत्सवाचा गोष्टी आहे की मी इकडे आहे आणि अँड इट्स अ व्हेरी ऑनरेबल थिंग टू इवन अटेंड समथिंग लाईक दिस. सो आय एम व्हेरी ग्लॅड टू बी इन्व्हायटेड हिअर टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दिस एंटायर ऑर्गनायझेशन. थँक यू टू द दादासाहेब फाल्के अवॉर्ड ऑर्गनायझेशन and the committee to actually have me here, and I'm looking forward for a fantastic show. Thank you.
Go for it.
Go for it. Gents first.
So, honestly, I've heard about this award a lot of times, and this is my very first time here, and I really feel glad and very privileged to be the part of this whole event, because there are a lot of renowned names that have actually been associated with this award, and they have actually received it. Today I come here as someone who was actually, our show is nominated for that, so I'm really happy for that. And it feels really overwhelmed because 4 years back it was a dream, and to go to award function, to be there, to feel the presence over here, and give interviews like this. So it feels really surreal, and thank you so much guys for always inviting us to the best of our capacity. Thank you.
And yeah, I'm looking forward for the event. So yeah, it's feeling good. First of all, it's an honor to be a part of this great festival, and it's a new experience for me. I am from fashion and women empowerment industry, so yeah, I'm also learning, and it's a huge platform for me as well as a board member, and I'll be thankful to the team and the board members and everyone here.
Yeah. I'm very glad and feeling honored, especially my family. First time in the awards, my husband came with me. I got many awards, but this is extremely special because more special because my father called me and he said, "ये awards तो बड़े-बड़े film stars को मिल रहा है बेटा, ये आपको मिल रहा है." So for him, it's a big thing. He got emotional that I am getting an award in Dada Saheb Phalke Award. So it's a big thing for me, for my family, and I'm getting this for Mangal Lakshmi. So I am so thankful to Colors TV, to Suzaina Ghai ma'am, who is my producer, content creator of the show, that she has a belief कि जो मैंने past roles किए थे उन्होंने मुझे stereotype नहीं किया और मुझे एक different role दिया जहाँ आज मुझे लोग मंगल के नाम से भी जानते हैं और today I'm getting this for Mangal. So I'm so honored. I'm very blessed. Thank you to the universe. Thank you to the Divine Mother. Thank you to all of my audiences who love me, who trust my acting capabilities. जो एक जिस trust honesty से मैं अपने किरदारों को निभाती हूँ वो उनके दिल को छुआ और वो मुझे पसंद करते हैं. So thank you so much for watching me, for watching my performances in my shows always. So I'm really grateful. Because of you all, I'm getting this. Thank you.
Very prestigious and being part of Ye Rishta and such a legacy, I feel proud that we've been awarded this award and such a big name, Dada Saheb Phalke. From morning I've been excited and finally we are here.
Yeah, it's truly an honor to be here. And it's like 17 years, nazar na lage. It's a very long journey. And yeah, we are very happy, proud that we are getting this award. Our show is getting this award.
Thank you. It's from here?
Yeah.
Yes, absolutely. It's such an honor to be here. Sorry. I think it's a true honor to be here celebrating such a legendary figure and to be celebrating Indian cinema in this way. So I'm truly grateful to be able to get here and to be able to be a part of all of this. And I'm just really looking forward to the rest of this evening. Thank you.
So much.
Thank you. Extremely prestigious award. I think it's one of the finest that one could get in the Indian cinema fraternity. And I think both of us are delighted to receive
gratitude, I can say, so.
Absolutely.
Of course.
As kids, I think it was, for us, cinema was something that we would look up to. It was the most entertaining factor in our life. And then knowing about Dada Saheb Phalke, the pioneer of Indian cinema, I guess nobody can miss that energy and that vibe.
I think for me, cinema in terms of when you talk about Dada Saheb Phalke, late in my life, I came to know who was the founder, and the godfather of Indian cinema. But for me, cinema was when Ganpati used to be in our area, and there used to be big screens, and on the road we used to watch those. So, and then we saw his first black and white, and I came to know that time. I was completely amazed. So good memories. As you know, childhood memories are very precious. Thank you so much. Thank you.
And of course, what? Of course, being here. I'm truly honored to be a part of Dada Saheb Phalke Awards, and it's been an honor. This is my first time, so I'm super excited. And of course, I went for the screening yesterday also because my short film has been nominated. Here's the director, Sujoy Mukherjee, and that's his wife, Supriya. That's my mother. She's also here. And our short film has been nominated, Hunar, in top 10 films. So we are excited about that. We're keeping our fingers crossed. Hope we win.
Yeah. It's such an honor to be in the top 10 in Dada Saheb Phalke International Film Festival. Hunar is a beautiful film with a very strong message about, the stories about parents' unfulfilled dreams, how they put it on the little shoulders, not realizing the talent within them. So very strong subject, and we got a lovely reaction yesterday from the audience. So let's hope for the best. Thank you, Parul, thank you.
एपिसोड शो है और अगले महीने दिसंबर 5 को हम कंप्लीट कर रहे हैं 5000 एपिसोड्स. सो आई थिंक एक बड़े अच्छे वक्त पे एक ऐसा अवार्ड मिल रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच.
I'm so happy and so proud that I'm a part of this show ना, और ये हमारा सीज़न 4 में हम सब साथ में हैं. जैसे राजन जी ने आपसे कहा कि we'll be completing 5000 episodes in December, तो इससे अच्छा मौका हो ही नहीं सकता कि इस वक्त हमें ये अवार्ड मिल रहा है. And thank you, Rajan ji.
Thank you everyone.
To be part of this legacy is always, as I say, to go down in history. And thank you so much, sir, for giving me the opportunity, for trusting me and for directing me every day, and for creating such a good atmosphere also. And I think it's the synergy of the show. And it is not easy to run a fictional show for 17 years. And touchwood, we're completing 5000 episodes, and that's a huge feat in itself. And I'm blessed to be a part of it. Thank you.
Thank you, Rajanji, for always being there for us whenever we need you. And yeah, so whenever we need you, in fact, from right from Vidai, whenever we needed him, he's always there. Not as a producer, like a father to us, and he always blesses us, and he takes care of all the problems. Thank you, sir.
I do feel very humbled and very honored because the Dada Saheb Phalke International Festival is very special, and to be acknowledged with the award of contribution to Indian cinema is very, very meaningful. Thank you.
It's great. It's great. It's a big award show, and it has its own legacy. So I think it's a great feeling to be here, and looking forward to the awards and having fun. Sorry? Yeah, I think he's the OG अगर कहा जाए दादा साहब फाल्के. It all started because of him, right? तो ये बहुत ही बड़ा अवार्ड शो है एंड सबके लिए बहुत ही बड़ा सम्मान भी है ऐसा अवार्ड मिलना टू गेट दिस ऑनर ऑल्सो एंड या सो लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू द अवार्ड्स. थैंक यू.
Come near, I can't hear you. So we are very happy to be here and part of the Dada Saheb Phalke 10th year celebration. ये award को 10 साल हो चुके हैं and they have done a great job right from a small function right now all the way to Dome, which is considered one of the best venues in India. And we look forward to more and more success for Dada Saheb Phalke. We are going to be collaborating and taking it very big, and way forward is going to be very big. So all the best to. Thank you.